She wants to lean.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I recently went to Walmart and I saw that they have this as a stocking stuffer. This is by Profusion Cosmetics and this is in the style Mini Rubies. This is how the palette is looking. So it's basically like a red palette, you know, Christmas theme. So if you guys want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, check me out. So yeah, let's get into this look. All right, y'all, so I have my eyes based with the Louise. I have it in the shade 0.5, and the first shade I'm going to go in with is probably, well, this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease. All right, y'all, so I applied the color on both lids. It's not as pigmented as it look in the pan. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Hopefully none of the color sweeps away. If it does, I'm just going to add more. But as you can see, yeah, a lot of that color did just get swept off. So I'm just gonna go in and pack in the color. All right, so I don't really like the red. To me, it should be more intense than what it is, but it is what it is. So I am gonna go in and cut my crease and add this shimmer and all that good jazzy stuff. All right, the cut crease is done. Next, I'm going to go in with this golden shade. I am back, y'all. This is how the eyelid is looking. Next, I'm going to do my eyeliner and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so to save memory on my phone, I'm going to do my face off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so my face makeup is done. Next, I'm about to go ahead and do my lips. All right, y'all, so I am back with the final look. This is how it's looking. I did go in and I did do my under eye. I did a black eyeliner and then I went in with that bright red to smoke it out. And then I did my favorite lip combo. And then after that, I went in with this to top it off. So, what y'all thinking? Poppin'. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys watching. Overall, the palette was okay. I wish that the red was a little bit more popping, more in depth, but you know, it is what it is. So thanks again for watching, y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.